Hey guys, it's me, Kia, and today I'm going to be doing an updated room tour. I haven't made a room tour in months, and I looked back at my old room tour and my room literally looks so different. So I'm like extremely excited to make an updated one. So here's like an overall like shot of my room. You can see everything. And then I'll just start. So basically here's the door, and then here's like the area right next to the door. So I have these posters on the wall here. I find them all on Pinterest, and yeah, everything's super cute and pink. I have my keys always hanging next to the light switch so I can like find them easily. I have these little bow thingies that I tied. I have another one over here, and yeah, I tried to do like a little pink vibes collage situation for this area. And I also have this little pink like heart streamer thing next to the door, which I have a few of them throughout my room. And above the door I have these little My Melody, Kurumi, Hello Kitty, the little cutouts. So yeah, this is the little area right next to the door, and then under here I have a whole bunch of plushies and everything. On the top of this organizer to the right, I have a little Hello Kitty Lego with a little fake plant next to it. And then I have my Build-A-Bear Paulette right here. And then I have this cute little Miniso cat heart ears plush. And then in the middle top, there is my little flying pig Squishmallow. And next to it is a little Hello Kitty thing I made out of clay. And then I have these two kitties, which are from Hot Topic, stacked. And then I have the other Hello Kitty in there, which is from AliExpress. Down here, I have this little like pink drink little plush that I got from Shein. And then right next to it is a little Korulakuma that I got from Temu. This little My Melody backpack is from Hot Topic. And then finally, in this little cubby, I got the little Jigglypuff from the fair, and then this axolotl plush is from, I got it from Shein. And then I have a small little pink carpet underneath it. And then moving to the side, I have my Gentle Cuddles bunny Build-A-Bear, and right next to it I have a small version of the little flying pig Squishmallow. And then around my mirror I have this nice little pink flower vine. On this little plate in the middle, I usually use it as like a catching dish, so it doesn't look the most aesthetic, but it has like lip gloss, glasses, jewelry, whatever on there. And then I have my cube organizer, which I have little My Melody cutouts on it. And then I have a couple plushies in here. I have on the left my Melody, which is from Temu, and then the axolotl and the cup were given to me. So yes, everything is super in theme, super cute. And then as we move over here to the bed area, I have a big white rug that I got off Shein. Mind you though, it is not the best quality. It is actually very thin, but yeah. And then I have my little lamp. I tied a little ribbon on it. Here's my bed. I have this little collage, and I have LED lights going all the way around my room, and it starts down there in the corner. And then I have another one of these heart streamers. I have this heart thingy going off the top of my bed. Those are lights. I also have those heart lights going along the edge of this as well. Yeah, and up here I have this little collage. I do mean to change that sticker out for My Melody, but I have a collage of the Hello Kitty stuff. And then this is a little coin purse, but I use it as like a little wall hanging thing. And then I have this cute little like bubbling art. And then moving to the wall behind my bed, I have just 3 posters. This one's just like a loser, like literally a random Pinterest poster, Lana Del Rey, and this one's like a Korulakuma strawberries one. Above my bed, I have this like DIY canopy. It's basically a big piece of fabric that I got from Walmart. It already had this edge on it. I was gonna cut it up and do other DIYs with it, but I was like, oh my god, wait, let me try to make a canopy out of it. And I just used a bunch of push pins to pin it to the ceiling and wall, and it's held up really well. I really simplified the bed plushies down a lot because when I sleep, it's really inconvenient for me to have a bunch of plushies everywhere and it's like knocking all over the place. So I just have my big little My Melody head pillow, and then I have these two little guys. The top one is a cat I got from Temu, I believe, and the bottom one is a cow I also got from Temu. And then this little cute cow milkshake plush is from Claire's. And then finally, in the corner, I have my adorable Build-A-Bear Pochaco plush. I have this cute little shirt on it. I do hope to get another Sanrio Build-A-Bear, but this is the only one I have for now. I have the 3 Build-A-Bears, the bunnies, and then Pochaco. And then I just have a pink blanket. And yeah. So moving on, I have this area over here, and I have this black background Hello Kitty painting I did a while ago, and then I just have 2 little album receipts of K12 and Crybaby, some hearts, and then I have this Nana tote bag with a cinnamon roll like dingly plush dingler, and on the tote bag I have some of My Hero Academia pins. So yeah, and then over here I just have a couple other images. Literally all my posters are from Pinterest. And then I have this cute little Hello Kitty bouquet. And then I have this little bear plush wearing a Hello Kitty costume. This one is so cute. Then I have my TV, which I almost never use, but it's here. And then I have my plushes on the other side of the dresser, which are a cute little fluffy cow, this cute little bear wearing a Hello Kitty costume, and then another cinnamon roll like plush dangler. And then on the floor I just have a little heart rug and then like My Melody pictures on the dresser. And then over here I have another poster that I printed a while ago, and then just some other decor pieces. And then I have another Nana tote bag with a little heart like dangler on it. And then I have these 2 little Miffy plushes that I crocheted. Don't look too closely at them because they're not perfect, but I thought they were cute still. And here's my desk area. Okay, I don't know where to start. Okay, so I have this shelf that has like, the one on the left has a bunch of sprays and stuff from like Pink, Victoria's Secret, Bath & Body, whatever, like from those kind of places. And then the top shelf kind of has some of the minis from there, and also this giant Hershey Kiss. And I have my little My Melody. I usually leave the board empty because it doesn't match with my aesthetic when I draw all over it and stuff. And then I have my actual desk, which I'm obsessed with. I just have, I'll make a more detailed desk tour, but yes. And then I have I have pink curtains also in my room, LEDs also at the top of my room, and then plushies I have over here. I have a pair of headphones, and then I have a little Hello Kitty and this Hello Kitty cup. Kore la Kuma from AliExpress, a little flower pillow, and then this little bear, which I got as a gift. I have my big giant bear, which I got from Walmart like a long while ago. And I have this entire little wall with all my Hello Kitty pictures, which I love so much. And then I have my plushies on here. To go through them quickly, on the top shelf, I have My Melody, Hello Kitty, and Miffy. And on the bottom shelf, I have a little strawberry cow squishmallow, a little mushroom squishmallow, cow squishmallow, and a little like colorful like gumdrop squishmallow. Moving on, my closet just has nothing, and then I have this little Hello Kitty tote bag, which I've had for literally the longest while, and then it has a little pink pom-pom on it, and my fan is down there. And then I have this little area, which I love. It has another one of those heart streamers, has my Portals poster, and then 2 other pictures I got from Pinterest, and then the Portals tote bag, and then just some flowers on the wall. And then we're back to the door. So yeah, that is my entire room tour. Yeah, so thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something.